Welcome to this Easy Ads for Facebook demo video. Before we get started, you'll be happy to know that the Easy Ads for Facebook app is made by the creators of Scalify, the #1 ranked social media marketing solution by Gartner. With over 15 years of hands-on experience in the e-commerce marketing space and 4+ since we launched Scalify, we served over 10,000 advertisers and e-commerce entrepreneurs just like you. Something you'll notice right away is that we focus on merging our marketing expertise and cutting-edge automation to provide you with a very user-friendly advertising solution that delivers results. In essence, our app helps you launch a sophisticated advertising funnel on Facebook and Instagram in a few minutes to start getting sales within the first week of use. In this demo, we'll go through an overview of the app's interface and how it works. Then, I'll show you step-by-step how to launch an effective advertising funnel on Facebook and Instagram. Keep in mind that everything I demonstrate is included in the free trial, so you can open your Easy Ads app on another tab and follow along with this video. Let's get started. After installing the app on your Shopify store, you'll be met with this interface. Everything you can do with the Easy Ads for Facebook app is located in these 4 tabs: Install, Connect, Create, and Launch. After starting your free trial, you'll be moved to the Connect tab. Here, you need the following requirements to be fulfilled before proceeding: a Facebook profile, a Facebook business, an ad account, a page, and a pixel. You also need to have a verified domain and an aggregated events management set up on your Facebook Business Manager account. If you don't have all the requirements, don't worry. You'll find the complete guide to creating a business manager in under 30 minutes linked in the description of this video. If one of your business manager elements is restricted, contact our support team for expert advice on what to do next. If you have all the requirements we mentioned, setting up your account on Easy Ads for Facebook is super easy. Start by opening a new tab in your browser and go to facebook.com. Then, log in to the Facebook profile with admin access to the ad account you want to use with the app. Return to the browser tab where you have the Easy Ads for Facebook app open and click on the Connect Facebook button. A new pop-up window will open. Click on the Connect to Facebook button. Now that your Facebook profile is successfully linked with the app, click on the Close this window button. The next step is to select the business manager you'd like to use and the business manager dropdown. Now that all the ad accounts under this business manager are visible, select the one you want to use with the app and the Facebook page you'd like to advertise with. Next, choose the pixel you want to use. Finally, in the target location dropdown, select the locations you want your ads to target. Now that all of the advertising assets are connected successfully, let's go to the next step where you'll create your advertising funnel. On this page, you'll see 4 dropdowns, each representing a different funnel stage: awareness, consideration, conversion, and loyalty. Each funnel stage works on moving new people through your funnel from being completely new to your business until they become loyal repeat buyers. Let's get started with awareness, the first funnel stage that serves as a pipeline to generate website traffic and nurture the rest of the funnel stages. Awareness ads target people who don't know about your business yet. The goal is to activate your advertising funnel by encouraging people to visit your website. Since at this stage we are targeting a completely new audience, I recommend using multiple products, as this will give your new audience a chance to see different products they might be interested in and a carousel that looks like this. Next, write an enticing ad copy. You can choose to keep the default copy or modify it to fit your brand and message. Once you're done, click the Next button. That's it. You've just created ads that will target high-quality audiences that are most likely to visit your website. On to the second stage of the funnel, consideration. In this stage, ads target people who visited your website but left without buying any products. In other words, we're retargeting only website visitors that didn't purchase. The goal is to remind your audience of products they checked but didn't purchase in order to spark their consideration. To launch consideration ads, repeat the same steps we did in the previous stage, choosing one or multiple products to show in ads, writing ad text, and clicking Next when you're done. And that's it. You've just created ads that will retarget your website visitors that didn't purchase anything from your store yet. Next is conversion, the third stage of the advertising funnel. In this stage, ads target people who almost purchased the product but didn't. In other words, we're retargeting website visitors who added the product to cart or initiated checkout without purchasing. The goal is to convert warm audiences into customers. Here, you'll notice that Easy Ads has automatically created a 10% discount for you and included it in the default ad text in an effort to maximize conversions. Feel free to pick another discount code from the discounts drop-down or create a new one on your Shopify store. Repeating the same steps as before, we're able to create ads that will help convert window shoppers into customers. At last, loyalty, the fourth and final stage of the advertising funnel. In this stage, ads target customers. The goal here is to increase your customer's lifetime value, otherwise known as LTV, and build a base of loyal brand advocates. I recommend using incentives you already have in place, like customer discounts or special offers to maximize effectiveness. Congratulations, you've just created a full advertising funnel and campaign with a solid strategy that was proven to scale countless Shopify stores, just like yours. Let's go ahead and launch this campaign. First, map your products into the right categories to further enhance your audience targeting. Just select a product tag from the drop-down and set an appropriate product category for the products holding that tag. Keep in mind that unmapped products will be set in the default category you set here. Next, choose a daily budget for your campaign. I recommend getting started with a $10 per day budget. Optionally, enable AI to automate the optimization of your funnel in order to maximize your return on investment at a low cost. So all of those extra bucks can go straight into your pocket. I'll go ahead and turn AI optimization on. If you choose to enable AI, make sure you set a maximum daily budget that you don't want the automation to go over. I'll set a $500 a day maximum budget for now. Let's recap what we've accomplished so far. We started a free trial, connected all the necessary advertising assets, created each stage of the already made advertising funnel, and enable AI optimization to scale the funnel on autopilot. Now, all what's left is to actually launch the funnel. And that's it. You're done. Easy Ads will take care of syncing products from your Shopify store with Facebook, creating product feeds and catalogs, setting up your advertising funnel, creating the campaign, ad sets and ads, finding the most profitable audiences to target on Facebook and Instagram, optimizing your ads based on performance. Once done, you'll be redirected to the app's dashboard, where you can see how your advertising funnel is performing in real time. Note that it takes some time for Meta to review the ads the app has created for you before launching them on Facebook and Instagram. You can view performance data by day, week, or month. Up top, the dashboard allows you to get an instant view of how your advertising funnel is performing in general. Down below, you'll find a breakdown of your advertising performance by funnel stage. Easy Ads for Facebook provides you with a clear interface and a straightforward selection of the most important key performance indicators that reflect your results. If you have a question about anything I showed in this demo, or if you need any help, our support team will be more than happy to assist you with this process. You can also browse our help articles for a more detailed step-by-step explanation of everything I shared in this video. Last but not least is pricing. Easy Ads for Facebook is straightforward and has a flat pricing rate. We don't charge you per your ad spend like other apps do. You pay your advertising fee directly to Facebook. You can try the app for free for 7 days. If it doesn't work for you, let us know and we'll assist you or even extend your free trial. The Scalify team is on your side. Our world-class support team is always here to help you. Just send an email to support@scalifyadsapp.com and we'll be more than happy to assist you along your growth journey with Easy Ads. Don't take our word for it. Here's what Easy Ads users who've been using the app and loving it have to say. Put us to the test and try us out yourself by installing our app and taking advantage of the free trial. On behalf of the Scalify team, I can't wait to have you on board and we're rooting for your success. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you on the other side.